What if I told you there's an animal on Earth that doesn't die? Not metaphorically, not spiritually. Literally, biologically, immortal. It doesn't age. It doesn't decay. And under the right conditions, it can live forever. This is the story of one of nature's most mind-blowing loopholes, the immortal jellyfish. Meet Torotopsis dohrnii. Deep in the waters of the Mediterranean, and quietly floating through oceans around the world, lives a tiny, nearly invisible creature. Its name? Torotopsis dohrnii. But most people call it the immortal jellyfish. It's about 4 millimeters wide, smaller than your pinky nail, and yet it may hold the secret to biological immortality, how it lives forever. So, what makes this jellyfish so special? Well, like many creatures, it starts life as a larva. Then it grows into a polyp, a colony of tiny tentacled creatures attached to rocks. Eventually, it becomes a full adult jellyfish. But here's where things get weird. When most animals age, they slowly decline, until eventually, death takes over. Not Torotopsis. When it's injured, starving, or under environmental stress, it doesn't die. Instead, it does something science once thought impossible. It reverses its aging process. It literally transforms back into a polyp, its juvenile state. From there, it starts its life cycle all over again, like rewinding a biological clock, over and over and over. But wait, is it really immortal? Now you're probably thinking, if this jellyfish is immortal, why isn't the ocean full of them? Good question. While Torotopsis can theoretically live forever, it's not invincible. It can still be eaten by predators, destroyed by disease, or killed by sudden environmental changes. So yes, it can live forever, but only if nothing kills it first. Still, its ability to regenerate indefinitely puts it in a category no other known animal occupies. What it means for us. So, does this mean humans could one day unlock immortality? Scientists have been studying the immortal jellyfish for years, hoping to understand the genes and biological mechanisms that allow it to reverse aging. The key may lie in a process called transdifferentiation. That's when one type of cell transforms into another. In humans, this process is rare. But if we could learn to control it, we might be able to repair damaged organs, cure aging diseases, or even slow down the clock entirely. It's not science fiction anymore. This tiny jellyfish could be the blueprint. Final thoughts. In a world obsessed with staying young and living longer, this creature quietly cracked the code millions of years ago. It doesn't chase immortality. It just lives it. Torotopsis dohrnii is a reminder that nature has secrets we've only begun to uncover. And sometimes, the answers to life's biggest questions are hidden in the smallest things. So next time you hear someone say, "Nothing lives forever," tell them about the jellyfish that never dies. If that blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you want to live forever if you could? Because this creature already is.